This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure battery is above 20% and you have a backup of critical data, like SMS and saved Wi-Fi passwords. Once ready, open Settings and use the search bar to find Network or Connections to save time. Make sure to disable airplane mode if active, then tap into the Network submenu. This first step gets you directly into the controls you need, so you can reset without losing track or repeating steps. You now proceed to the actual reset. Once in System or General Management, tap Reset Options and choose Reset Network Settings. This clears Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth configurations. Make sure to review the list of items that will be erased so you understand what returns to default. Enter your PIN or device password when prompted, then confirm reset. This clears misconfigurations and often resolves roaming or connection. Once done, reconnect to Wi-Fi and repair your Bluetooth devices. You must re-enter saved passwords and authorize known devices again. Make sure to test mobile data and reboot the phone. Reboots complete low-level network resets. If you still have issues, verify APN settings against your carrier's recommended values, because incorrect APN blocks data. As a final troubleshooting tip, contact your carrier before a factory reset. They can confirm network status and avoid unnecessary data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.